Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ada Beauty Skincare, the house of beauty. So guys, if today is your first time of tuning into my channel, you're welcome, and please feel free to join the family, and please make sure to subscribe and like this video, share this video, make sure to hit the notification bell close to the subscribe button. And guys, for my old subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you so much for staying with me all through. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make the best form of turmeric oil. Yeah guys, this is my turmeric oil. This oil is this oil is so good, guys. If you want to lighten up your skin, if you want to fade dark spots from your face, if you want to have a flawless face, if you want to have this face without wrinkle, a smooth face, if you want a face without scars and pigmentation, just a glowing face, yeah guys, this oil is so good. So guys, you can use this oil at night before going to bed, or you can add this oil to your facial cream. That is how I use mine. So guys, mind you, if you're using this oil before going to bed at night, it might stain your bed sheets, but you just have to do what you have to do to have this flawless skin, guys. Yeah, it pays to care for the skin. Yeah guys, so if you want to know how to make this out, guys, come, let's go to my kitchen and let's go and do this out. And make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to share this video with your friends, and see you soon, guys. I love you all, and stay tuned. Okay beauties, I'll be using coconut oil to make this turmeric oil, and I'm using pure organic coconut oil. This is virgin oil. So guys, you can use any oil of your choice, and I'll be using turmeric powder. So guys, you can also use turmeric roots. So I've been using turmeric roots for a very long time, so I just want to try to use turmeric powder and see how it's going to come out. And I'm also using organic turmeric powder. So guys, make sure to use organic turmeric powder so that you'll be sure that you're using the best form of turmeric powder. And I'll be using 2 spoons of turmeric powder. Yeah guys, I'll be using 2 spoons of turmeric powder, and I'm just going to add in my coconut oil, and I make sure that the oil is more than the turmeric powder. Yeah guys, make sure your oil is more than your turmeric powder, or if you're using turmeric roots, make sure that the oil is more than the turmeric roots, and give it a good stir. Yeah guys, just have to give it a good stir. Mix them together. You can see how pure this turmeric is looking. So guys, this is turmeric powder and oil mixed together. So now we are going to try and make it. So this is it, guys. This is just the powder and the oil mixed together, but we are still going to separate the powders from the oil. Yeah guys, you can use this like this on your face at night, but this is not pure turmeric oil, guys. This is just turmeric powder and coconut oil mixed together. So guys, what I'm going to do is to heat this up for just 10 minutes. Yeah guys, we have to heat this up for 10 minutes. So guys, the reason why we are heating this up is just to mix the oil and the powder together. So that is the reason why I'm heating this up. So guys, it's been 10 minutes now. You can see the oil and the powder are fully mixed together. This is very hot, guys. So what I'm going to do is to place this under the sun for 1 week. This has to stay under the sun for 1 week. The sun is very hot now. I think we have 30 something degree here now. So it has to be under the sun for good 1 week. So guys, please pardon my nails. I've been busy for so long now. I don't have time to take care of my nails. I've been busy making creams and other stuff for people. So guys, you can see this is 1 week. You can see the oil is so pure. Yeah guys, this is so pure. You can see the oil and the shaft. The shaft is below the oil. Yeah, this is turmeric oil. So before, like I said before, it was turmeric shaft and turmeric powder and coconut oil, but now this is pure turmeric oil. Yeah guys, this oil is so good to fight pimples. Yeah, turmeric is good to fight pimples. It's good to lighten up your skin. It's good to fade out dark spots. You can add this to your facial cream, or you can just be applying this on your face at night before going to bed. Yeah, I use this every night to moisturize my face before going to bed after my scrubbing and my deep cleansing. So guys, you just have to separate the oil from the powder, and please be careful because I want this you wouldn't want your oil to be mixed with particles, powders. You just want your oil to be pure, in a pure form, no particles left inside the oil. So you really have to be careful. Don't be selfish. So you might lost some oil, but don't be selfish. I just want this oil to be pure. So guys, this is the powder. You can use your powder to make your face mask, or you can throw it away. Anything you want to do with this turmeric powder is left for you to decide. So guys, you can see this is the oil. Is so pure. This is pure turmeric oil, guys. This is the first time I'm using this powder. I've been using turmeric roots and I like the outcome. So guys, I'm going to add vitamin A oil to this turmeric oil because vitamin A is so good to take care of wrinkles. If you have wrinkles on your face, it's good to clear out roughness if your face is rough. And this vitamin A oil also is going to expand the shelf life of this turmeric oil. So guys, if you're selling your oil, make sure to preserve it. If you're going to sell your oil, make sure to preserve it. But if you're using your oil on yourself, on your skin, so you can just make a little and use it. When it's finished, then you can make another. So that is it, guys. So what I'm going to do is to pour this into my little container. Yeah guys, I'm supposed to use the brown bottle. So guys, I would advise you to use a dark bottle, but because I'm always using this brown bottle for my face and serum, yeah, this is what I use to store my face serum. So that is why I'm using this white container. Yeah guys, make sure to like this video. Make sure to leave your comment below. Let's discuss through the comment section. Tell me what you think about this oil. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe. Hit the bell for more videos. Yeah guys, make sure to hit the bell beside the subscribe button, because that is how you'll be getting notified that I have uploaded a new video. Yeah guys, this oil is so good to, if you have your facial cream already, or if you want to make your own facial cream, you can add this oil to it. Yeah guys, you can add this oil to it. I normally use this oil to make a facial cream. I use papaya oil, I use turmeric oil, I use my orange lightning glycerin, I use my carrot oil, and I also use my lemon oil. These oil are so good to use when you're making your facial cream. It's going to help to clear out your skin. It's going to help to lighten up your skin. It's going to clear out those dead skin cells, those dark spots. Yeah guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Stay tuned. Bye.